Brad Williams, Excel Prime, a little more on text. In the previous tutorials, we were working with dates. There's no restriction on text. You can transform pretty much anything within Excel within the text format. You can change this to, let's see here, you want to add number, there's a format. If you do this repeatedly, you can remember it and type it in, or you can hit Control-1, you can go to custom, and then you can grab any one of these formats, or you can play around and enter whatever you want. If you wanted color, or if you want to modify this, or if you want to customize it yourself, you're free to do so. Here we have a time, and we don't want time. We want to see our minutes. If you're military, you're going to see this is 15:15. That means 3:15 military time. They're going to pick that up in a second. 4509, look here. Be sure before you make changes, what are we changing? Are we changing a number, or in here, we're changing today's date. And it's 3/24/23. As I demonstrated earlier, you can add text before a date. You can add text and time, and also add a percentage. How? There's a percentage format. Anything in here under C1, if you can find the format here, you can include it. So currency, if this is what you want, and if you want it red, you can go to custom. If it's negative, you can get a red. You could change this up. You could actually type it in here. You can type in whatever color you want. It has to be a standard color within Excel. You're not going to be able to put in a code or a hex or what have you. So if you put orange, white, or black, or green, just standard colors, it should change. If you want percentage, you can add it yourself. Just keep in mind what's the criteria. We're adding quotes. You have to do that in order to convert that over. Why? What are we doing? We're changing a number into text. So now this is a text, and it will convert over into whatever number you have in B5. You're right, is pretty much this conversation. The anatomy, if you need to know what's going on here, review this. We're just converting a value into text with a specific number format. Text it's a function, and it's built in all these cool little conversions that you don't have to think about. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks.